What is the worst military mistake that a country can make? Start a war when it cannot afford one. Here's another question. Can China afford an all-out war with India? The simple answer is no. The reasons are various and many, and I'll list out some of them for you. First, military deployment is a big challenge for China right now. It is already engaged on one too many fronts. Second, China is already at war at home. And third, China cannot afford to fire right now. There is already too much global heat against it. Let me start with the military deployment. What a country needs during a war is to quickly round up its forces at the front line. This is the last thing China can do right now. China is fighting fires on several fronts as we speak. Its ground forces, its navy, its warplanes, they're all engaged. Chinese fighter jets are busy intruding into Taiwan's airspace. Its ships are at the South China Sea, trying to fortify its claims over the waters and the islands. In this region alone, in the South China Sea, Beijing is currently engaged with 6 countries: Taiwan, Vietnam, the Philippines, Brunei, Indonesia, and Malaysia. The People's Liberation Army is creating artificial islands here, carrying out exercises. China is also rubbing Japan the wrong way, East China Sea. Beijing ships recently entered the Japanese water, so make that 7 countries at the waters alone. Then we have Hong Kong and its pro-democracy movement. The last thing Beijing wants is an uprising in Hong Kong while its forces engage with India. Then we have the dragon's domestic worries. There are way too many. China is still fighting to legitimize its claims on Tibet. China is advocating for reunification of Outer Mongolia. Chinese troops are engaged in the persecution of Uyghurs in Xinjiang. And as we speak, they're fighting the second wave of coronavirus in Beijing. Can the PLA compromise any of these fronts to engage in a full-blown battle with India? Let's say hypothetically they do. Will the Chinese government be able to fund a war right now? Look at the Chinese economy. The GDP stood at 20.66 trillion yuan, that is $2.91 trillion in the first quarter of 2020, down 6.9% year on year. Also down is China's reputation. Industries moving out of China, companies leaving the country. Its manufacturing has slipped. Demand too. There's an 8.5% decline in imports. The Wuhan virus has hammered the Chinese economy. People are out of jobs. They're struggling to make ends meet. The last thing China needs right now is a war. Too bad, Beijing is already fighting one. China is in a trade war with the United States and Australia. What with the tariffs and the bans? According to reports, the trade war with the US alone cost China $35 billion in the first half of 2019. Among the hardest hit sectors were computers and office machinery. Fighting India would mean losing out on Indian markets too. And there's a lot of money at stake, we can tell you. $74.72 billion, and this is exports alone. There's another reason why Beijing cannot afford a war with India. During a war, you need allies. China has none. The debt-ridden Pakistan and the new friend Nepal do not really count. India, on the other hand, has the support of the world's leading powers, diplomatically and militarily, may we add. If China fires a shot at Ladakh, it will be ambushed from all fronts. Its economy will tank, the people will suffer more, it will be diplomatically isolated, and for all you know, the Chinese leadership may not survive such a blow. Can it really afford to risk all of this?